Welcome this video title Elevate Your Outdoor Space Defense Idea of a Style and Functional Conclusion. Introducing we will craft fan not only define the boundary of your property but also enhance its aesthetic appear. Whether we aiming of provide security or simple add a touch of style to your outdoor space, do it yourself. Panel project often a cost effect and reward solved. We will create panel idea that sent to various preference and skill level help your transforming your outdoor area into a personalization have palette paradise, one of the most budget friendly and environment conscious panel idea involve reposting wood pallets, collect panel from locate business, reshamed theme, and use the diffuse board the concede a charm and rustic panel. You you can average the palette varies of a classic look to get create with harmoniums or deacons palettes. Consider print or state the wood to match your outdoor aesthetic palette. Fans not only often a unique various appear but also allow of I mean customization mark theme and idea other of so leave a personalization touch. Bamboo beautifuls for an eco friend and various strike panel consider use bamboo. Bamboo is a fast growing and sustainable material that add a touch of natural enhance to your outdoor space. You can create a bamboo panel by security bamboo boards to wood post or by weight that so together of a more inclusive design. Bamboo panels are not only static please but also excellent provide add that request maximum main interest make theme a project and double choice for the aesthetic conclusion ambience on a panel project allows you to inflow your outdoor space with create and personalization with enhanced